Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, and we are here now to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 12th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of 0.02. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, with a gain of 5.77% since we first recommended buying Tesla 2 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.89% per day since it was categorized as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower region of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, which often presents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $330.07 be breached, it will initially indicate a slower rate of increase and may serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 6.6% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 1.15% to 49.58%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 99.38% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 63.75% and 190.84%. This would correspond to a price range of $582.85 to $1,035.20 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Tesla features the headline, Tesla stock price up more than 5.77% on Thursday. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, the Tesla stock price increased by 5.77%, climbing from $336.51 to $355.94. During that trading session, the stock fluctuated by 4.62%, with a low of $342.87 and a high of $358.69. It's worth noting that the stock has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 11.08% during this period. The trading volume also decreased on the last day by 15 million shares, totaling 89 million shares exchanged for approximately $31.54 billion. Keep in mind that a drop in volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence, serving as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $488.54, while the lowest was $138.80. Currently, the stock price stands 27.14%, or $132.60, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Tesla, shares have been experiencing notable volatility amid unfolding events and market reactions. Today, Tesla stock surged nearly 6.4% as investors reacted positively to easing inflation concerns. This bullish sentiment in the broader market, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq also seeing gains, bolsters expectations for Tesla's growth trajectory in the near term. Wedbush analyst Dan Ives highlighted the company's autonomous driving technology as its potential golden goose, estimating its value at $1 trillion. This long-term perspective on innovation could support Tesla's valuation if they successfully capitalize on their autonomous initiatives. Additional news of potential State Department contracts for armored electric vehicles worth around $400 million provides a significant opportunity for revenue growth. Such government contracts could stabilize Tesla's revenue streams, particularly if they bolster the company's position against rising competition from rivals like BYD, which has introduced advanced driver assistance features at no additional cost. The brewing price war in the electric vehicle market raises concerns about profit margins, which the company will need to navigate carefully. While current market enthusiasm is notable, investors remain cautious regarding Elon Musk's various ventures and potential distractions, which could impact Tesla's strategic focus. If shares do pull back further due to these competitive pressures, key support levels will become critical points to watch in the coming weeks. Overall, while short-term gains show promise, Tesla's long-term outlook will heavily depend on how well they manage competition and maintain innovation. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a buy grade with an initiate action. On Monday, the 10th of February, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs designated Tesla with a cautious grade and a hold action. On Saturday, the 8th of February, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital gave Tesla a mixed grade alongside a hold action. On Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler rated Tesla as overweight with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also classified as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The Tesla stock shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is an overall sell signal, which presents a more negative outlook for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $398.91. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $355.07. A breakthrough above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, February 11, 2025, and thus far, it has increased by 8.18%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. It is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading session, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 15 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal from 18 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflects a buy signal from 165 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $338.74, a level that may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $15.83 between its high and low points, which corresponds to 4.62%. For the past week, the average daily volatility has been 5.30%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on April 22, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 610 of a dollar. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $421.06. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla's first support level is at $338.74. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of February, 2025, Elon Musk conducted an insider sale of 74,077 shares of common stock. On the same day, Elon Musk also conducted an insider sale of 923 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of February, 2025, Vaibhav Taneja executed an insider sale of 7,000 shares of a non-qualified stock option, which grants the right to buy. On that same day, Vaibhav Taneja also conducted an insider purchase of 7,000 shares of common stock. Additionally, Vaibhav Taneja sold 100 shares of common stock on that day. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 53.839. In total, insiders purchased 339,928 shares and sold 1,156,314 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $342.34, reflecting a decrease of 3.82%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Currently, there is a buying signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 2 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla presents several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient to categorize it as a buy candidate at this moment. Instead, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting you should hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 14th of February, we anticipate Tesla will open lower by $3.44, beginning trading at $352.50. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.